Hi, I'm Gary Root. I'm from Kenmare. I'm the AAM out of the Kenmare store, and I'm here to talk to you a little bit about drills. The biggest problem that I see is depth gauge arms. They stick, and they can even stick over winter. When a guy's putting a drill away, they never stuck last winter, and and now this spring he finds out he's got a lot of stuck arms. That's one of the first things I check. We also check the boot wear, things like that, how wore out his discs are. A lot of these guys think they can go a long time with worn out with the discs, and actually they're wearing into the boot by not changing the discs as often as they should. So that's not good at all. And as far as there's a lot of other little parts on the drill that we check out. As far as the cart, the meters on the cart, and the guy might sit there and say there's nothing wrong with the meters at all, and you ask him if he'll pull them out, and you pull them out and you look at them and you can't hardly turn them. It's very hard on the transmissions, very hard on them, and it's not good because the brains of the whole operation are these air seeder cart. Bring them to town, get them rebuilt, get them just like brand new and bring them back to them.